Their voice is not audible, sir.
Yet I have not spoken. Okay, then let's start our work. And today's class is about lines parallel to the same line. Lines parallel to the same line is one of the important property which you are going to use in one of the famous and very, very important theorem called basic proportionality theorem in class 10th. BPT, basic proportionality theorem, or Thales theorem. So very, very important theorem for exam point of view, class 10th. So further base concept is lines parallel to the same line or parallel to each other. This is the concept which you are going to learn. And based on that, very one and only one simple concept, and of that base we using in solving examples from 4 to 6, exercise 6.2. So first, before discussing lines parallel to the same line, let's go for proof of the theorem 6.5. Have you done how to prove this? Have you proved this theorem?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now we shall go for discussing this theorem in short. Okay, in short. First, I will not ask the Chandru. I'll ask some other. I want from you the answer. What is given? Okay, what is given? Shobit, can you tell me what is given? Okay, Shobit is not there, it seems.
Sir, may I tell, sir?
Abhishek is, Suprit want to tell. Yes, tell Suprit.
Sir, given angle 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degrees, sir.
Transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of co-interior angles supplementary, that is given. Very good. Angle 4 plus
Plus
angle
angle 5
5 in this
is equal
figure
to,
is equals to 180 degrees given. Okay.
yes, sir.
Or you can
angle
say angle 3
angle
plus angle
plus
6
angle
equal
6.
to 180 degrees also you can say. That's good.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Suprit. Now, what is to be proved? Shobit, are you there
Then
or not? I'm not able to hear you. I made you as co-host. Vinayaka, are you there? Vinayaka is not there.
Yes, sir, I am there, sir.
Vinayaka? Yes. Tell me what is to be proved. Watch what comes after then.
Sir, can I tell?
The lines are
Kirtan.
Sir?
Just now Kirtan
Sir,
spoke, it
line
seems.
Sir, line
Abhishek is
M
speaking.
Sir, line M is parallel to N.
Very simple. That's it.
Sir, we have to prove that a pair of interior angles on the same side is supplementary or not, sir.
No.
Sir, we
Given
have to
comes
prove that
after if. What is after if? Condition is called given. To be comes after then. Conclusion comes to be proved. After then what we will be having to be proved. After if what we will be having, it is given. If this happens, then this will happen. If this happens already given for us. Will happen, that is to be proved. Okay? Any still doubt, children? So
Sir.
Once you recognize what is given, what is to be proved, half mark you will get at least. Okay. Then next, do you require any construction extra? That you will be writing here. If it is not required, you will be not writing. Then you will go for proof. What is the first step of proof? Kirtan, tell me Kirtan now. Many are there. I am not able to see children who are all there. So 21 cadets
Sir,
are there.
angle
Shobit
3
didn't
equal
speak at all, to whom I gave a chance. Okay. I have Shobit co-host, he didn't speak. Vinayaka spoke, Abhishek Patil spoke. Ved, tell me now. Ved or Kirtan, Adarsh Patil, Avinash.
Sir, angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180 degrees.
Okay. Angle
3 plus angle 4.
angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Reason why?
Sir, because they are linear
It's a
pairs.
straight line, sir.
Axiom
How?
of 6 point, sir.
Now how? Question, why you said linear pair? Okay.
Linear pair axiom.
Linear pair axiom. Now tell me how. Now how tells the reason complete. This is why. How tells the entire the theory behind linear pair axiom means how root
Sir,
3 plus root 4. What made root 3 root 4 to recognize as a linear pair? That is how.
Sir, because ray PQ stands on line M.
Okay, ray PQ stands on line
M.
M. That is called how. Okay. So you will be saying that prior to y, prior to this step, as ray PQ stands on the line M. Root 3 plus root 4 equals to 180 degrees since linear pair axiom. Have you understood? So how will come first, followed by y. Okay.
Sir.
In writing proof, make simple sentence at least to tell how and give a equation, then give within bracket or something like this reference of that axiom y to get full marks. Now this gains complete full marks. Next, okay, followed by Ved. Now your turn. Tell me, Ved, Avinash, Adarsh Patil.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Chandru, we will wait, Chandru. Why? Because we will give chance to the others. I want Chirag, Darshan, Ganesh. Okay. I want the others speaking. Gangadhar,
Sir,
Piyush.
shall I tell?
Abhishek is trying to speak. Abhishek already got the chance. Samrudh, Sanket, Shibham, Sonam, Suprit, Vedant. Children, take the opportunity and speak. If it is wrong, also no problem. Make all the mistakes now.
Angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees, sir.
Very good. Piyush, बता दो बेटा.
Angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees, sir.
Angle 5 plus angle 6 equals to 180 degrees. Okay.
Angle 8 is plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree, not sir.
Angle, Vedant, बेटा बता दो.
Angle 8 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree, sir.
Angle 8 plus angle 7 equals to 180 degrees. Okay. ये सही है, ये सब कुछ सही है। आपको हाउ
Sir,
भी पता है, वाई भी पता है, समझ बता दो। बट इसका क्यों हम इस्तेमाल करना है? वाई शुड आई टेक दिस? नाउ सी ऑलवेज अवर यस, सी मुझे ये लेना है तो किस लिए लेना है? वाई शुड आई टेक दिस?
Sir, because of they lie on n, sir, which is straight line is equal to 180 degree.
You are right, Gangadhar. Like how and why for this I have written, na? Similarly,
Sir,
we'll be telling.
the lines are parallel, sir.
See, tell me, no, lines are not parallel. We need to prove that lines are parallel. Okay, this.
Sir, if
is right
angle
for
4 and
them.
angle 6 were going to be equal, sir, then it would be parallel.
शिवम, यस, देखो एक चीज मुझे एक्चुअली आपको ये सिखाना था। ये पहला स्टेप तो लिखा आप, ये हो गया आपका। इस स्टेप को लिखने के बाद जब पीयूष रूट एंगल 5 प्लस एंगल 6 इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्रीज और गंगाधर एंगल 8 प्लस एंगल 7 इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्रीज, ये तो लिख रहे हैं हम, वी आर राइटिंग इट, बट व्हाट फॉर? Hey Shobit, 2 people are waiting in lobby. Allow them.
Sir, angle 5 and angle 3 are equal means the lines will be parallel, sir.
हाँ देखो, अब समृद्ध जो बताया वो सही बात है। अब देखो हमको एक्चुअली यहाँ पे एंगल 5 प्लस एंगल 6 इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री हम लिख रहा है, तो कुछ हम ऐसा सोच रहा है एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 3 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 5 प्रूव करने के लिए, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स थ्योरम को यूज करने के लिए। पहला चीज हम जो भी लिखते हैं वो टू बी प्रूव्ड पाने के लिए लिखते हैं। शोभित, 2 people are waiting in lobby. I think better I go for making them in. Who are those? Others Patil is waiting. Signed in. Admit. Sai Karthik is waiting. Okay. Now, Vinayaka, you are made as co-host now. Change role, co-host. You allow them to be in. Okay. Now, see children, we need to know why I am writing this step. If I am writing this step, what for? See, I need not write all this now. I will tell you this first step is alone enough. Why? Because here, this is 1. Now, I will use the given angle 4 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degrees. This I will make it as 2. Reason I will say given. Understood? Now, watch, 1 and 2 are equal. Why 1 and 2 are equal? Their right hand sides are equal. From
Sir, then 4.
1 and
Then 3 is
2.
equal to 5, sir.
From 1 and 2.
Sir, 3 is equal to 5. Angle 3 is
Yes,
equal to
angle
angle
3 plus angle 4 equals to angle 4 plus angle 5. Both the sides equal subtracted. Equals subtracted from the equals will make the remains equal. So I took away angle 4 and angle 4 both the sides because they are same. Therefore, angle 3 equals to angle 5. Now angle 3 equals to angle 5 is my aim. Therefore, by converse of alternate interior angle theorem. Could you remember converse of alternate interior angle theorem? Therefore,
Yes, sir.
by what is the theorem number? Converse of alternate interior angles theorem.
6.3, sir.
6.3. उस स्टेटमेंट को लिखो और बता दो आप लाइन m पैरेलल टू n. ओके, line M parallel to N to be proved आ गया. Are you getting my point, children?
Yes.
ज्योमेट्री ऐसा चीज है, घुमा के हमको 1 घंटा भी वेस्ट कर देगा एक थ्योरम प्रूव करने में, अगर एग्जाम में ठीक से हम याद नहीं रखा है तो. इफ वी डू नॉट रिमेंबर अ थ्योरम proof and key steps and why I am doing what I am supposed to do, if I am not doing it correctly, in our 3 hours exam 1 hour can be spent on one proof, we lose entire time. There were so many situations happened for me even, and happening to our children also. They're losing their time in the proving one theorem. With that जिद पकड़ के वो काम करते 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 3 घंटा में 1 घंटा वेस्ट हो जाएगा. फिर पूरा जो पता है वो भी हम we will get confused and we will फंक होने के कारण से वो भी नहीं लिख पाते हैं. This happens. So very important, geometry needs proper logical sequential steps remembering and key points remembering. Okay, now
Yes.
this theorem 6.5 gets over. Shall we proceed further? Have you understood this theorem? It's a very simple one, but you need logic. Let's move on to the lines parallel to the same line. Lines parallel to the same line. Lines parallel to the same line. You could observe here line AB parallel to line CD, and line CD is parallel to line EF. Thus, line A is parallel to line E. Line AB is parallel to line EF. AB parallel to CD, EF parallel to CD. If two lines are parallel to the same line, then they are parallel. If two lines parallel to the common line, then those two lines will also be parallel to each other. I had a normally giving one example. Okay. What is that example? Let me tell you. X is friend of Y. Okay. Z is friend of Y. Therefore, when they both meet Y together, Y will make X and Y introduced, and X and Y, from then they will become have understood here? Friend of
Yes,
friend
sir.
is friend. Friend of friend is friend. This is parallel. If two lines are parallel, the same line are parallel to each other. This is true. Similarly, और एक बात भी है. और एक बात क्या है? Enemies enemy is friend. आपको पता है क्या? हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Any. What is the spelling of enemy? E-N-E-M-Y or
Yes, sir.
E-N-I-M-Y?
Correct, sir.
ENEMY.
Enemies. Enemy is friend. ये कहावत पता है आपको? Enemy is friend.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now देखो अब X is perpendicular to Y. Z is perpendicular to Y. Therefore, X is parallel to Z. ये सही है या गलत है?
Correct, sir.
Have you understood?
Sir.
Line X is perpendicular to Y. Line Z is perpendicular to line Y. Thus, X is parallel to Z. line X perpendicular to line Y and line Z perpendicular to line Y. Thus X and Y are parallel to each other. So both theories are true. They're true in life, true in geometry. Have you understood? Friends, friend is friend. Enemies, enemy is friend. Okay? So perpendicularness is going against. Going against. Parallelness is aligning along with the ideas of a person. The one who nods head with our thoughts and ideas will become friend. The one who bluntly or who opposes with the thoughts of us, who opposes means perpendiculars. That fellow becomes enemy. This is how we feel. Correct? Is the concept is clear to you all, children? Yeah, now you can remember easily now. Friends, friend is friend. Two lines parallel to the same line are parallel to themselves, parallel to each other. Friends, friend is friend. Similarly, somebody is acha. Vedant is asking to add him into group. We will have
Yes, sir.
Kirtan. Are you? Let me see. I'm not. Vedant, you put your number.
Kirtan is joining, sir.
Email ID. Somebody must
Kirtan
be
is
there.
active,
Na?
sir.
Sir, I will add him, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Pa. So, see, we have this simple concept remembering. Friends, friend is friend. Two lines parallel to the common line are parallel to each other. Enemies, enemy is friend. Two lines perpendicular to the common line are parallel to each other. You remember this much. Okay? अभी तक तो ये enemies, enemy is friend अभी नहीं आया आपको. आपको आएगा जब शायद 10th में आएगा वो. अभी मैं बता दिया. Concept link है इसलिए मैं बता दिया. Okay, let's go on to
Sir,
the
minus into minus is plus, sir. Like that, it can become.
minus of minus is plus. Yeah. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. We have here theorem 6.6 based on the lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. How will you prove? Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. How will you prove? Any thought?
First
Sir,
given, sir.
it's parallel to line.
Very good,
And-
Samar. I want आराम से बात करो. आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है. आराम से बात करो. And I want like this children who are so far not spoken taking opportunity. Okay, सोनम बात करना है बेटा. देखो आपको गलत बताने से भी कोई यहाँ पे चिढ़ाना वाला नहीं है. No one will make you like no one will tease you. We are learning. Abhishek Patil, you have spoken. Vinayaka,
Suprit, sir.
Vinayaka did not speak. Suprit spoken. Ved did not spoke. Adarsh Patil didn't speak. Chirag didn't speak. Darshan, Ganesh, Gangadhar spoke. Kirtan spoke. Piyush spoke. Prithviraj, you didn't speak. Sai Karthik, you didn't speak. Samrudh already spoken. Sanket Sajjana didn't speak. Shibam spoken. Sonam didn't speak. Suprit spoken. Vedant Patil spoken. एक क्लास का चांस इसलिए है ना आपको बात करने का चांस होता है ना. अदरवाइज आई कैन मेक यू हैव अ like YouTube video. What is the difference between this class and YouTube video? Compulsory you should speak now. Okay, बात करो. सोचो. आपका सोच बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सोचो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Can I
बताइए
tell?
बताइए. गलत होने से भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नो प्रॉब्लम, यू स्पीक फर्स्ट. क्या
Sir,
लिखते हैं हम थ्योरम प्रूव करने के समय पे? व्हाट डू वी राइट?
sir, given.
वेरी गुड. कीर्तन स्पोक. गिवन. नेक्स्ट.
Given, sir, line parallel to the same line.
हाँ, यहाँ पे lines parallel to the same line are parallel to
Line.
each other. Okay, lines
Sir, this was the line parallel to the
same
same
line.
line.
Sir,
यहाँ
we
पे
should prove
ये
that
होगा
lines,
Inspector, you should
figure.
write,
lines
sir.
are parallel to the same line, sir.
3 is equal to 2 na sir.
हाँ, यहाँ पे given ये है to be proved.
Parallel to each other, sir.
Yes, this is to be proved. हाँ,
Sir, given L is parallel to M and M is parallel
या
to N.
इस फिगर को इस्तेमाल करते हुए बता दो.
Sir, we
Line
can
L.
write given L is
Parallel to
parallel
M,
to
sir.
M
Sir,
and
L
N
is
is
parallel to M
N.
and M is parallel to N.
Okay,
And
very
we
Parallel to
should,
L,
sir,
M, sir.
parallel to M.
हाँ,
Sir, we should
आप
prove
And where,
किसी
sir,
एक
L
लाइन
is
को
parallel
कॉमन
to N,
रखिए.
sir.
किसी एक लाइन को कॉमन रखिए. यहाँ पे लाइन M को कॉमन रखा हुआ है. लाइन L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N दिया हुआ है. Okay, that's good. हाँ, next to be proved. बता दो to be proved.
line line L is parallel to N, sir.
Very good. अब इस चीज इसको पैरेलल होगा प्रूव करना है हम. We have to prove that. Now tell me
Sir.
what is construction. Do you require construction here?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes, required. Draw.
Sir, L parallel to M, sir.
transversal.
We should.
Yes, we need compulsory. Draw transversal T intersecting the lines L, M,
It is already drawn, sir.
N at
It is drawn
It is
by
already
sir.
drawn.
the distinct points P, Q,
Sir,
R.
sir,
P, Q, and R.
Sir?
Tell me.
sir, if L is parallel to
Q.
N, then angle 1 is equal to angle 2, sir.
हाँ, वो आएगा ना. पहला ये तो हम फिगर आपको दे दिए हैं, इसलिए एटलीस्ट उस फिगर से आपको आइडिया आएगा करके. वो तो फिगर नहीं देगा.
And
एग्जाम में फिगर नहीं होगा, फिगर आप ड्रा करना पड़ेगा. ओके,
Yes, sir.
एग्जाम में बस स्टेटमेंट दिया जाएगा, आप प्रूव करना पड़ता है. ओके बेटा, समझ में आया? तो
Yes,
ये
sir.
फिगर ड्रा करना पड़ेगा आपको. ये फिगर, दिस फिगर ड्रा करके उस फिगर के अनुसार L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N लेंगे. L is parallel to N to be proved करेंगे.
sir, can I tell, sir?
हाँ, अब प्रूफ आएगा, बता दो.
Sir, if L is parallel to M,
As line
L is
parallel
parallel to M.
L line L parallel to M.
Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, sir.
Angle 1 equals to angle 2 by,
Axiom 6.4, sir.
okay, by co-integral,
Axiom 6.4,
sorry,
sir.
not, corresponding
corresponding
angles theorem. They are corresponding angles now. By corresponding angles theorem. Theorem or axiom? Axiom it is. Corresponding angles, axiom. By corresponding angles, axiom. This becomes equation 1. Fair. As the line M parallel to N, angle 2
Angle 2 is equal to angle 3, sir.
by same. You have to write corresponding angles axiom. Okay, you'll write the same sentence.
Sir,
Sir,
so
then,
angle 1 is equals to angle 3, sir.
Angle 1
Angle-
is equal to angle
Now
3, sir. Then
from 1 and
they are
2, I'll write here.
From 1 and 2, 1 is equal 1 plus
No, from
Angle 1 is
to
equals to angle 3, sir.
two things equal to the same thing are equal to each other. That
Yes, sir.
postulate.
1 is equal to angle 3.
Okay, angle 1 equals to angle 3. Now अब बता दो angle 1 equals to angle 3 होने से क्या फायदा है? क्या फायदा है? What
Sir,
happens?
according to corresponding angle axiom, sir, angle L will be parallel to angle M, sir.
Now converse याद है आपको? Converse
Yes,
of
sir.
corresponding angles axiom. वो भी corresponding angles axiom ही बोलेंगे हम. Okay?
Sir, if corresponding angles are equal, then the lines will be parallel to each
Yes.
other.
Yes. वो axiom 6.4
4, sir.
5.
है. आप पहला 6.4 बताया कीर्तन. वो एक्चुअली 6.3 था.
6.3, sir.
3 था. हाँ? आप पहला 6.4 बताया 3 बताया मुझे.
Sir, 4 I told, sir.
हाँ इसलिए मैं बस नॉर्मली मुझे भी याद नहीं होगा. मुझे याद नहीं
Corresponding
होगा.
angle.
मैं एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ. I'll also don't remember that. That's why I prefer saying statement, but I remember the statement. मुझे याद कॉन्सेप्ट है, उसका नंबर याद नहीं है. मुझे नंबर का जरूरत ही नहीं है. I will say by converse of corresponding angles.
Axiom.
Axiom. Okay. वो axiom 6.3
Line
का
L is
correspond
parallel
आएगा.
to line N.
Yes. So
Line L.
नंबर बता दो यार. आपका इच्छा, आपको याद है तो ये बता दो. ठीक सा.
6.4, sir.
Therefore L is parallel to N.
Yeah.
M. N, sir.
Statement बता दो. पूरा statement बता दो. There were some students. Normally CBSE publishes the people whoever gets 100 out of 100 or 80 out of 80. They write theoretically complete. They write neatly. They will write completely and get no chance of losing marks. Okay, they will be full marks. So write full statement, no problem. If you have speed and legibility in writing, and if you can maintain time, write full statement. So with that, you will give no room for a person to cut marks. So line L parallel to N आ गया, to be proved आ गया. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. Yeah. Now अब questions आ जाएगा. Questions का बारे में. Tell me. Now we'll go for solving questions. See, children, some people are not speaking even now. I want them speaking. Yes, question पढ़ लो. वेद, अब तक आप बात ही नहीं किया. वेद, आपका आवाज सुनना चाह रहे हैं हम. Are you there, Ved? Ved. No response. Adarsh Patil. No response. Sanket. Okay, somebody is typing. What? How to go for chat? Yeah. What is the chat?
Sir, here construction is required, sir.
Sir, my mic option is only not coming. Okay, Sanket, problem है उस वहाँ पे.
Sir, here one straight line will be drawn, sir. In
Sir,
between, sir.
टाइप
construction
करो,
is
टाइप करो.
required.
हाँ. Anyways, see, to complete my syllabus, I did not do this way. To complete my syllabus, I can go in a straight away, tuck, YouTube video type. To help you out, I am trying to do this way. Yeah, let's come on to the work here. Question. Sonam, bata do, speak.
Sir, the given are AB is parallel to PQ and PQ is parallel to RS.
यहाँ पे ये भी पैरेलल, ये भी नहीं है बेटा. PQ पैरेलल टू RS है. यस, PQ पैरेलल टू RS दिया हुआ है. करेक्ट. यहाँ पे गिवन वो है. अब देखो यहाँ पे एंगल MXQ Q दिया है, MXQ 135 डिग्री, एंगल MYR 40 डिग्री, बट एंगल XMY प्रूव फाइंड आउट करना है, तो यहाँ पे लाइन ए बी पैरेलल टू PQ ड्रा करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड. ड्रा लाइन AB. Okay, line AB parallel to line PQ and passing through
M.
the point M, passing through the point M. A figure is a key है. This figure, that is construction, this is the key. The moment you find this idea,
Sir, can I tell you, sir?
now you got the answer. Yes, what is the answer? Type straight away, tell me your answer.
Sir,
40, 140, 45.
Sir, 85.
85 degrees. So
Sir,
85 आ
85
जाएगा.
degrees.
क्यों 85 आएगा? आपको रीजन पता है?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
corresponding alternate
Sir,
interior angles, sir, according
Yes.
to that, sir.
ये alternate interior angle theorem आएगा.
Alternate angles on interior angles on same side of transversal. Sir.
Yes, ये
Above.
को इंटीरियर आएगा. तो ये 45 बनने के लिए को इंटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम यूज करेगा. ये 40 बनने के लिए, 40 बनने के लिए अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम को कोट करेगा. तो
Sir, that 135 will come here, sir, and according to that 135 plus this is equal
That's
to
what, that's what.
180.
सो लिखने का क्या क्या लिखना है आपको पता है. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग नाउ. ओके, theoretically what you want to write, what you can write, you have to now learn by this time. I am giving only hint. पहला हिंट और दूसरा क्या लिखने का है. ये 45 y 45 डिग्रीज बनेगा. एक को इंटीरियर एंगल रेफरेंस करना पड़ता है. why this 40 becomes alternate interior angle theorem को रेफर करना पड़ेगा. totally now answer is 85 degrees. Angle XMY is 85 degrees. Now next question.
Sir, not understood, sir, how 45 came, sir.
How 45 came? Co-interior angles.
Of co-interior angles is 180 degrees.
MXQ 135. Angle XMB. This angle should be co-interior angles. They are angles on the same side being interior. Co-interior angles बोलेंगे. इसका supplementary है ना. दोनों sum must be 180.
Yes, sir.
If it is
Yes, sir.
x, if you take 180 minus 135 becomes this x. So this angle XMB is 45 degrees because of co-interior angles. Okay, Piyush?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next question. If a transversal intersects two lines such that the bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel. Okay, very important. For this figure is not given. आप करना पड़ेगा. If a transversal intersects two lines such that, पहला transversal intersects two lines have taken two lines, let's say M and N, they are parallel only. I have taken a transversal T. If a transversal intersects two lines such that bisector means dividing into two equal halves of a pair of corresponding angles. यहाँ पे एक है, यहाँ पे एक है. और bisectors, ये bisector है, मतलब यहाँ पे एंगल दोनों इक्वल है. और यहाँ पे और एक करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल का भी बाइसेक्टर ड्रा किया है. लेट अस से दिस इज L and this is let's say this is P or Q. So line P, line Q, both are bisecting corresponding angles. Prove that these two lines are also parallel. Okay.
Sir, they told Q and T are parallel. Q and this both bisectors are parallel. Then M is parallel to N. We should.
This is
prove,
a
sir.
prove that type, means it is again a theorem type only. What is given? What is to be proved?
Sir,
Given.
given M is parallel to N.
Yes, M is parallel to N.
Prove
And
is we have to prove
T is
the M is parallel to N, sir.
T is the,
Transversal.
yes, line M is parallel to line N, and the line T is transversal. Okay, corresponding angles. Here we have got bisected. That also given. Okay. This is point 1 given. Point 2 given is line P is the bisector of, ओके अगर देखो हम एम एन लेने से हम यहाँ पे करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल बाइसेक्टर ऑफ विच एंगल विच वन वी कैनॉट से सो बेस्ट इज टू गो फॉर टेकिंग पॉइंट्स so that we refer the angles, correct na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so now watch the figure. Got it? Now watch the figure. See, I drew for your idea, but where do we face problem? In writing given, in writing to be proved, to refer angle. So for that I took a figure now. Now is this figure is completely possible to refer angles?
Yes, sir.
Now write the given.
Sir, given, sir, line PQ
PQ is parallel to RS, sir.
parallel
Very
to
good.
RS.
RS एक हो गया.
And line AD is the bisector.
And
Line AD is
Bisector of angle ABQ, sir.
is the transversal.
And ray BE is bisector of angle
BABQ, sir.
B is the
bisector of
angle ABQ. 3. Ray CG
line
is
ray
the
CG
bisector of
bisector of
BCS, sir.
मालूम हुआ अब
BC.
कितना आसान हो गया लिखने का. तो फिगर लेने का तरीका, फिगर लेने के सोच, द थिंकिंग शुड कम. Okay, how to take figure, with the statement how to draw the figure, what to label, so that they become comfortable in writing given. All this should go in your brain the moment you think of solution. Now to be proved, to be proved, to be proved.
Ray B is
Parallel
ray
to
B is parallel to ray CG.
Very good. ये to be proved हो गया. हाँ, कुछ करस्पॉन्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन है यहाँ पे?
No, sir.
ऑलरेडी कंस्ट्रक्शन जो है हम फिगर में कर दिए हैं, एक्स्ट्रा कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं चाहिए. नाउ प्रूफ.
Sir, if line PQ is parallel to line RS, sir, then according to
Yes.
corresponding angles formula, angle ABQ is equal to angle BCS.
Yes, as PQ line parallel to RS by corresponding angles,
Angles. 'Cause, 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 'cause
Okay, by corresponding angles axiom, angle ABQ equals to angle BCS. Now multiply
Sir, angle ABE is equal to angle
on both sides. Multiply half on both sides. So half of angle ABQ is equals to half of angle BCS. They must be equal now. You are multiplying the positive number.
Sir, the half of cancel, sir.
Sir, angle ABE equal to angle BCG.
So angle half of angle ABQ is angle ABE. You know why?
yes,
Is
sir.
equals to half of angle BCS is angle
BCG, sir. BCG, sir.
BCG. Okay.
Sir, then
Two.
ray B is parallel to ray C.
See children,
Lines are parallel.
second one, when I say BE is bisector of angle ABQ, automatically it gives, okay, hiddenly angle ABE is equals to angle
BCG, sir.
EQ, or I can say angle ABE is half of ABQ. That also comes. Okay. Angle ABE is half of angle ABQ. Hiddenly it comes.